diverse menu, and also because they make their lattes so pretty. I love things that are pretty and experience or something because it's my metal element in Chinese face reading. So if you have the metal element in you, then you probably appreciate the little things like this as well. So my favorite drink here is their turmeric, honey, and cinnamon latte. The reason is because there's so many beneficial parts to turmeric. So this is what turmeric looks like, and if you want to make this at home, you can do it as well, and Rebecca's going to tell you how.
Yeah, super simple. So turmeric is something you can buy in almost any grocery store. It's going to be in the produce department. It's a root vegetable, so it's going to be looks kind of like ginger, but you'll find it in the same kind of section that you would find ginger at the store. All we do here is grate it on a really fine microplane grater, mix it with honey and some water, and we cook that down into a syrup. And that turmeric syrup is what we use to flavor the turmeric, honey, and cinnamon latte here at Olive & Finch. We add that to our steamed milk and our Intelligentsia espresso. So we're just steaming up a latte here. Nice and simple. Start with our espresso, goes in first. And then we've got our steamed milk. And this is something, lots of options at home that you can steam milk. There's lots of devices out there. We, of course, have a fancy espresso maker. And what's great about this, the milk is special because it has texture, it has body, and we add air through this espresso machine. So we're going to pour in the milk here, and on the very top we're going to be left with a beautiful foam that we are going to spoon right on in. Alright guys, so now you've got your classic latte, but what makes it special, here at Olive & Finch, we like to decorate these, and this is something you can make at home. All you have to do is find a Tupperware lid or some thin plastic and a sharp knife, draw your design on there and give it a quick cutout, and then all we're going to do, we're going to drop it right on top of our drink. We're going to sprinkle it, in this case we're using a little bit of cinnamon. We're going to sprinkle it right on top, and voila! So sky's the limit, guys. Think about it. Holidays, you can do a Christmas tree. We've even got a turkey dinner here.
I love this one.
It is so simple. All you gotta do, draw your design on here and take a sharp knife and cut it right out. And there you have your design. Nice and easy.
You are in Denver. There's 2 Olive & Finch locations. One's in Cherry Creek and the other one's in Uptown.